Hello everyone, I'm here to share some really exciting news, and that is that Papageno is open for crew. Like Moses with the Red Sea, it's open, ways clear, put some shoes on, or not, flip-flops is fine, and just come on down, we're open. Yeah, we're now taken for 2019 crew for Papageno, and this is how you can apply if you want. The journey that we're going to be taking is from Martinique to Grenada. That is the plan so far. The future is not planned, but that's as far as we've gone. We will be leaving Martinique at the end of March to go onwards on the adventure. And so what can you expect from this trip? Hard work. You can expect some laughs, definitely rum, definitely some beer, good times. You will be in a happy environment, and we're going to be exploring and enjoying the Caribbean and making this trip what it always was about in the beginning. By this time, Papageno will have her masts and rig and will be fitted out for a crew of, Papageno can sleep a crew of 8, but we will be taking on 2 to 3 extra people, and there are 2 to 3 spaces free. If you would like to apply for crew, which is super exciting, you can send a 3-minute video to svpapageno@gmail.com. In this video, I would like you to outline any relevant experience, why you would like to join Papageno, and how you feel you can contribute towards the story of Papageno. The sort of people we're looking for are fun, adventurous, harmonious people who aren't afraid of living it a bit rough. Papageno is not a cruise liner, unfortunately. She's a 50-year-old boat, and sometimes things do break. We're looking for people who are dedicated and can get along with other people. That's the most important thing, because you're going to be living in close proximity to others on the boat. Also would like you to be able to cook, as we will be taking it in turns to contribute towards the meals on the boat. But also like you to be reasonably tidy, as it's a small space and we all have to, get along and keep things peaceful. If you think that you would like to join us in March to go from Martinique to Grenada to stay with us between 4 to 6 weeks, then just send us an email and we will check out your video and we will release the people who are going to be joining us this season, January 31st. Now this is a really exciting time for me especially, because I will be going forwards as captain, and I will be doing my very best to be the best captain that I can be to you guys. The rule is on Papageno is that everyone is equal, everyone has a say and everyone has a voice. I'm also looking for, out of the 3 people, for 2 people to be experienced sailors to assist me to be the best captain I can be. I would like to learn from you, learn from your expertise and anything else that you think is relevant. I'm not just looking for a crew, I'm looking for people I can get on with, and the most important thing for me is peace, and for people to get on and for people to have a good time together. So we're going to be having a great time adventuring, snorkeling, exploring, fixing up Papageno, and if you have any relevant experience taking photographs or filming or editing, that is an extra bonus, because it would help me out quite a lot. One crew has already been confirmed and they will be joining us on March 20th. I will be going to the boat in February to start preparations for crew, getting your cabins, your beds, kitchen essentials, the bathroom done, all the other things done. I will be getting that done. We'll be spending some time in Martinique before heading off. Please be aware, this is not a holiday. Papageno, she is hard work, and for the first 6 months when I was on her, we had so many different obstacles, and it was eye-opening at how much I did not know. I'm coming back refreshed after being in Britain to come back to Papageno with a refreshed heart, refreshed mind and refreshed spirit, ready to do this. It's going to be fun. I'm so excited. I'm so bloody excited. So if you'd like to join me, send a 3-minute video to svpapageno@gmail.com, and I look forward very much to watching your applications. The reason why I'm asking for a video is that a lot is lost over email. I would like to see your personality, what sort of person you are, and hear your story, really, and I really deeply appreciate that. For those that are watching and are considering to be crew, thank you so much for considering Papageno to be a start of an adventure for you. It means a lot to me, and I hope to give you a journey that you'll never forget. Yeah, well, to be honest, afterwards you'll probably need a therapist, but who knows. If you'd like to be part of Papageno's story, let me know. All the best. See you out there. You make my heart melt. Hey baby.